Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm on my WhatsApp and opening a WhatsApp chat, and here as you can see in this chat, here's I received a audio. Now I will show you how to easily download audio or voice in your iPhone. First of all, hard press on the audio to select the audio file, and now tap on forward. And now as you can see, the audio has been selected. If you have multiple audios and you want to download multiple audios at the same time, all you have to need select multiple audios like this, and then tap on this forward icon at the bottom right, and here just tap on save to files and select a folder where you want to save. I'm going to saving this audio in this download folder and tapping on save. And now I'm going to my files app, and as you can see, I'm in download folder, and in this folder here as you can see, the audio I just downloaded from my WhatsApp. So this is the audio. Here we can see the time 7:21, and here's the time 7:21. Now all you have to do is just open this audio, tap on play button to play the audio. So this is how we can easily save audios from WhatsApp in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.